Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn on vacation mode on Etsy. First, log into your Etsy account. Once you are logged in, look for the Shop Manager icon at the top of the screen. Click on it to open your shop management options. In the menu that appears, select Settings. Then, click on Options. This will take you to a page where you can adjust different settings for your shop. Next, find the Vacation Mode tab. Click on this tab to open the vacation mode settings. You will see a switch that allows you to turn vacation mode on or off. Click the switch to turn it on. Once it is on, your shop will enter vacation mode, but you still have a few things to customize to make the experience clear for your customers. Under the vacation mode settings, you will see an area to write a temporary shop announcement. This is the message that will appear at the top of your shop page. Write a short message explaining that you are away and when your shop will reopen. Finally, after you have written your messages, scroll down and click Save. Thanks for watching.